Hello everyone, it's Robert Tyrell creating another free valuable video from the YMD Video Vault. I have to say, I'm always excited to create content each day. It's my favorite thing to do, and I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you for checking out our videos. With that being said, today I want to talk about something you're very familiar with, used daily, and has become part of our language when writing texts, emails, private messages, you name it. Can you guess what it is? You read the title, didn't you? Cheater. I'm talking about emojis. I'd like to share with you a couple free tools that will help find any emoji in a few easy steps on your computer. Emoji.com and Emojipedia.org are two free resources to search for that perfect emoji. Emoji allows you to have this nice visual view of what you're looking for. You could scroll through the library, highlight which one you want to use, copy, paste, and that's it. On Emojipedia, you can type in a keyword of what kind of emoji you're looking for, and you'll see all kinds of options to help give you inspiration. Emojis are a great addition to your ad copy for many reasons. It keeps your messaging human, sounding less like a boring sales pitch. Here are a few tips to follow when using emojis. Use emojis alongside keywords to help evoke emotion in what you're saying. Highlight your formatting of your ad copy by strategically placing emojis at the beginning of certain sentences. This guides the viewer's eyes to specific points when you're telling a story, explaining an offer, or providing value. Use emojis to give direction to your audience of what's the next step. Your call to action might be to click here, call now, or learn more. Arrows, pointing fingers, phones, and light bulbs are just a few ways to give direction to what your audience needs to do next. Don't overdo adding emojis to your written masterpiece. Sprinkle them into key emotions and moments that call for some extra oomph. If you have more emojis than words on your screen, rethink your strategy. Use emojis to keep your ads, emails, and chatbots conversational, sounding less and less like a used car salesman. Use these two free resources to find inspiration and sprinkle in some visual emotion when talking to the masses. Links are down below in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to post it in the group. Be sure to share your emoji-inspired copy and how you're uniquely using these friendly little characters in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy creating them. Check out all of our free content in our unit section of this group in the YMD Video Vault. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.